In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate selling tickets through Ticketswap. Whether you're looking to sell event tickets you can no longer use, or maybe you just want to test the waters of this popular platform, this step-by-step guide will ensure you know exactly what to do. Let's dive right in and start this journey together on Ticketswap. First, head over to Ticketswap's official website. You can do this by typing ticketswap.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page of Ticketswap, a user-friendly platform designed to help people buy and sell event tickets safely and easily. Look around if you're curious, but our focus today is on selling tickets. So let's get that process started. Next, you'll want to look for the Sell Your Tickets button. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page, but if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Take a moment to scan the page. This button is your first crucial step in setting up your ticket sale. Once found, go ahead and click on it. It will bring you to the selling section of the site, which guides you through the necessary steps to sell your ticket seamlessly. Now you'll see an option to add your tickets. This is where you'll upload the tickets you intend to sell. Make sure you have the digital files of your tickets ready on your device. Click on Add Your Tickets and a dialog box should appear, prompting you to select the file from your computer or smartphone. Navigate to where your tickets are stored, select them, and they'll begin uploading. This process ensures that potential buyers see precise details about the event. Once your tickets are successfully uploaded, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the next button. This button will guide you further along in the ticket listing process. It's often near the bottom of the upload section, so scroll down if it's not immediately visible. As you click next, the platform will lead you to a series of sections where you can fill out additional details about your ticket, such as pricing and any particular notes you'd like buyers to see. Be sure to follow these instructions on screen for the best selling experience. Before finalizing your sale, it's a good idea to double check everything. Ticket details, prices, and any personal settings related to your account. Once you're confident with the information provided, submit your tickets for sale. It's that simple. If completed correctly, your tickets will be listed for potential buyers to view and purchase. And just like that, you've completed the essential steps for selling tickets on Ticketswap. This straightforward method helps ensure that your ticket selling experience is smooth and efficient, letting you focus more on the things you enjoy. Thanks for watching and happy selling.